Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily download and install HP LaserJet Pro M305dn printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to bring up our Chrome. So by that, navigate at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on the open option to continue. So here at the Google Chrome, we just have to wait until everything are set here, and once everything are ready, please proceed at the search bar and type for HP LaserJet Space Pro space M305 space DN. Let me just add a DN before the space. Then driver. Once you're done typing, hit the enter key so that you would be directed to the results. So the very first result is under the support.hp.com. Just have to click on this link, and eventually you'd be able to see the HP LaserJet Pro M305dn. All you need to do is you need to scroll down on the list, and from here, click on this download option aligning to it. So it will now start on the downloading. We just have to wait until this would be completed before we can continue to the installation. To keep on track the download progress, click on this download icon placed at the upper right side of it. Okay, and let's just have to wait until this would be completed. Once done, please click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed or saved to. So the next step that we need to do is we need to click on this cat icon, close the window, as well as this one, and here at the desktop, please make a right click and go with this paste icon. So once we have pasted it here, please make a right click once again, and you need to scroll down and wait for the second to the last option would be ready before we proceed. And once it's here, please click on extract to, and eventually it will now start on the extraction of this file. So we just have to wait until this would be completed. Once done, and if completed, meaning we have successfully extracted it, navigate to the start icon. Please make a right click click on the settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So we just have to wait until our settings window would be ready for us. Now here, you just have to proceed to the left side of that. You can see there are Bluetooth and devices. Under the Bluetooth and devices, please navigate to the devices where you can see the devices settings. Here, please scroll down on the list and scroll up. Go with this more devices and printer settings. Eventually, you'll be able to bring up the devices and printers window. Please proceed to the other printer. Click on it, and this window would show up. Go with the printer that I want is enlisted and check for add a local printer. Mark it, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Go with next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB ports. It could be 001, 002, or 003. In my case, I'll be using USB 001. Once you've set it, click on next. And you need to go with have disk and browse. And from here, please proceed to the desktop and go with this one. So double tap to it and select any of this driver being available here. In my case, I'll be using auto run. Go with open. Once done, click on OK and it will be added here. Please select any of these printers. Anyway, they function similarly. So just have to click on next and you can rename that into M305dn. Once you've set it, please click on next and it will now start on the installation. Now we just have to wait until our user account control would ask us to say yes. Simply proceed with yes so that we can continue to the installation of this printer driver. Once done, please allow for printer sharing. Click on next and go with finished. Once you're good, it will be installed here, which is this one, HP LaserJet Pro M305dn. So you can now close the window as well as this one, and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.